Here's the situation. You've mapped an AI agent team on paper, which roles exist, what each one needs, what it hands off next. That's real work, but it's still just a document. Nothing runs yet. Hand-building the project from that map means recreating every role file yourself, and by the third or fourth one, it's easy to lose track of whether you're still matching your own design. Here's what one role in that map actually looks like. Business Needs Analyst, one of 7 active roles in this example. It states exactly what the role needs as input, what it does with that input, and exactly what it hands off next. Every role in the map is written this same way. The fix isn't a template you fill in by hand. It's one bootstrap prompt that reads your saved architecture map directly and builds from it. Every active role gets its own agent file, scoped to exactly what that role's input, process, and handoff say. Nothing generic, nothing copied across roles. Watch it run. Point the prompt at the architecture map, and Claude Code builds the whole structure on screen. An agents folder, a templates folder, a commands folder, 7 agent files, 1 per active role. Opportunity Designer isn't there because this map skipped it. Nothing extra, nothing missing. Check one file against the source. Open business-needs-analyst.md, and it's the map's own words, same input, same process, same output shape. Not a rewrite. Not a guess. Files existing only proves the prompt ran, it doesn't prove the team works. So run it for real. Ask Business Needs Analyst the actual question: how do I take recruiter ops to market and get customers and sales? It returns a buyer, a pane, and a tag exactly the shape the map promised. Hand that straight to positioning, no manual editing, and it produces a real positioning statement and messaging angles. The handoff just worked. What's left isn't a document to interpret, it's a working Claude Code project. Agent files scoped correctly. A shared handoff format. An orchestrator that sequences the team and stops at both gates. Point this same bootstrap prompt at any architecture map you save, and you get this same result. To be clear about what this proves and what it doesn't, this confirms the scaffold matches your design and the first handoff works. It does not confirm the team's judgment is any good. That gets tested later. If you're just joining the series, this video assumed a saved architecture map already exists. The video before this one shows exactly how to build that map from your own business decision. For now, point this same bootstrap prompt at your own saved map and check one generated file against it before you trust any of it.